Hi you guys, it's your girl Anna and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. If you're a subscriber, thanks so much for keeping it real and keeping with my channel over the years. And if you're new here, by the time you finish watching this video, please hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, and don't forget to comment. By you guys clicking on this video, you already know that I have a new wig review for you guys, and I can just tell y'all from now, this is by far the best wig that I have ever bought. Mind you, my wig collection isn't like overboard, but definitely from the moment I took this wig out of the package, guys, love at first sight. Yes, I know you guys are sitting there like, she's late to the party. Yes, I know this wig was on and popping back in 2017, but I did not buy it, okay? I wanted to wait until 2018 when all of y'all stopped wearing yours so I can wear mine now, okay? So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, this is a review on the Bobbi Boss YARA wig. Yes, the infamous YARA. Now, I bought YARA from, I think, Glamour. You guys know there are lots of different wig sites. You have wigtypes.com, you have Ebony Online. I think I got this one. I usually just go on the one that is selling it for the cheapest, to be honest. I'm not loyal to any one specific site. And I think I got this wig for around $32 thereabout, probably even less. No, I'm not wearing it right now because I'm gonna be putting it on for you guys. I'm just talking about the wig. I'm sure I'm gonna be having like pictures of what it looks like over here. I also have the stock card. The stock card is showing it in a greenish color. I got a color number 2, and this is my first time getting a color number 2, guys. Usually I get like a brownish number 4 or something mixed with blonde, so it's gonna be looking really dark, but I really love it. Now this is a blunt, like, this wig is going to be cutting persons. You are going to be walking and cutting persons in this wig, okay? So, YARA, let's try you on. I'm going to show you the construction of the wig right now real quick. Alright, so guys, this is what YARA is looking like straight out of the package. All I did was to cut off YARA's lace. And YARA, girl, I love the name as well. YARA, oh YARA. YARA is a lace part, so it's not a lace front. It only gives you the option of a middle part. If you do tilt it to the side to turn it into a side part, it's going to look very weird in terms of not being symmetrical. You have 2 combs in the side right here. You have adjustable straps at the back along with a back comb, and it's just a typical I don't know what kind of cap you'd call this, but you know, you're seeing the track, so just typical that you see on all wigs these days. Now this is the luster of her. She is a little shiny, just a little bit. You can put dry shampoo on her or baby powder to kind of tone that down. I will be doing that. But yeah, let's pop her on my head. This is YARA just plopped on my head. Literally, this is a wig that you just put on and go. This is what she's looking like here in the color number 2. Now, what I want to tell you guys about YARA, this is a snug fit wig, and I like to think that I have a really small head, okay? So if you have a huge ass head, this wig is going to be giving you a hella headaches, because I did wear it for a complete day and it did start to annoy me a little bit, and I don't have the straps adjusted or anything. It's on the loosest possible setting and it is really snug. I literally don't have to wear any of the clips. But guys, do you see this wig? Do you guys see this wig though? Look at that parting. Is Jesus make this part, you know, guys? Jesus himself made this part. Let me zoom in. Look how natural it looks. This is literally me wig. Me wig. Oof. Guys, I really don't even have to say a lot about YARA. YARA speaks for herself. YARA is doing all the talking. Let me just go and show you guys that cut, that slayage. And bobs are really in right now. She's really soft. She does shed a little bit. She does shed. But YARA, and she can be worn around the ear as well. Ooh, You can also make baby hairs for this if you want to. I didn't even make any baby hairs of my own, but ooh, child, look at Yara. So I'm gonna be putting links to this wig in the description bar if you want to go ahead and take Yara out for a spin. I think this is a really good going out wig. It's a really good work wig. This wig is just a really good wig that you need to add to your collection or just to invest in. We'll give you another close-up of her. Okay, you guys, so that's my review, my really quick review of the Yara wig. If you love it, links would be in the description as I said before, and stay tuned for more wig reviews coming up on my channel. But the only way you're going to know is if you click the subscribe button or if you click that notification bell below if you are already subscribed to my channel. Until next time, I love you guys. Peace out. Bye.